Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create an API to search the car. So let's go to our DTOs package, and here I'm going to create a new class, SearchCarDto. Let me add here the annotation that is @data. So the properties are private, string, brand, private, string, type, private, string, transmission, private, string, color. After that, I'm going to create a new class that is a car DTO list DTO. So let me add here the annotation that is @data, and the property over here that is a private list that is a car DTO. Let me import this list from java.util. So let's go to our admin service and let me create here the method. So the return type of this method that is a car DTO list DTO, and name of the method that is a search cars, and in the argument it will receive an object that is a search car DTO. Let's go to our admin service impl, and here I'm going to implement this method. So first of all, I'm going to create here the object of the car entity. So it will be a new car, and here I'm going to set brand, and we will get brand from SearchCarDto.getBrand, car.setType, and we will get type from SearchCarDto.getType, car.setTransmission, and we will get SearchCarDto.getTransmission, car.setColor, and here we need to get color. So it will be a SearchCarDto.getColor. So here I'm going to get an object that is a example matcher, and here we need to call example matcher.matchingAll. So it will be a with matcher. First we need to pass here brand. So it will be a example matcher dot generic property matches dot contains dot ignore case. Second, that is a type. So it will be a example matcher dot generic property matches dot contains dot ignore case. Third, that is a transmission. So let me add here transmission example matcher dot generic property matches dot contains dot ignore case, and the last that is a color. It will be a example matcher dot generic property matches dot contains dot ignore case. Okay, so here I'm going to create an object that is a example, and it will be a car example over here is equals to example dot of. First we need to pass here car object, and second we need to pass here this object that is a example matcher. So let me create the object that is a list of a car entity, and it will be a car list, and here we need to call car repository dot find all, and here we need to pass car example. And after that, I'm going to create an object of CarDto list DTO. So it will be a new CarDto list DTO. And here we need to call list DTO dot set CarDto list. And here we need to pass car list dot stream dot map. So first we need to pass here car entity, and second we need to pass here the method that is a get car DTO. So it will be a collect and the collectors dot to list. And after that we need to return here this object. Okay, so let's go to our admin controller and create an endpoint to call method from our admin service. So it will be a public response entity over here, and name of the method that is a SearchCar. So let me add here the annotation that is a request body to get the object. So it will be a SearchCarDto. And here we need to return response entity dot okay. And in the argument, we need to call method from our admin service that is a SearchCar. And here we need to pass SearchCarDto. On the top, I'm going to add annotation that is a @post mapping to access this API. And the URL of this API that is a /car/search. So let's run the application. And you can see application started. So that's all for now from my side. I hope you like this video. In the next video, we will call this SearchCar API from Angular. If you have any confusion, you can do comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.